Studying for the Certified Business Analysis Professional (CBAP) Career and Study Plan. To excel in the Certified Business Analysis Professional (CBAP) exam, start by thoroughly reviewing the BABAC guide, focusing on understanding core concepts and techniques. Create a structured study schedule, allotting time for each knowledge area and incorporating regular practice exams to gauge your progress. Join study groups or forums to share insights and clarify doubts, enhancing your learning through discussion. Finally, apply real-world business analysis scenarios to reinforce your knowledge and prepare effectively for the exam.
Studying for the Certified Business Analysis Professional (CBAP) Registered Career and Study Plan. CBAP and your career. Absolutely, you're ready to take the plunge and tackle the CBAP examination. It's a significant milestone, and I completely understand how daunting it can feel. I've been through it myself, and I've guided many others on this journey. Although it might seem intimidating, rest assured that between the application process, your personal efforts, and this course, there are numerous strategies and checkpoints to help you succeed. Whether this is your first standardized test or your fifth, we'll navigate the entire preparation process together, from the application stage right through to exam day. I'm Jamie Champagne, and I specialize in training professionals in business analysis and project management. My passion lies in coaching organizations, teaching at the university level, and speaking at professional conferences. Over the years, I've prepared hundreds of candidates, both business analysts and those from other fields, for this exam. Surprisingly, teaching this topic is something I genuinely love, and I've put in substantial effort to make your preparation as smooth as possible. Our course is packed with worksheets, tips, and practice tests designed to ensure you feel fully prepared for the Certified Business Analysis Professional exam. The CBAP Study Plan. Have you ever heard the saying, "If you fail to plan, you plan to fail"? This is particularly true when preparing for the CBAP exam. Effective planning and dedicated study time are crucial for success. In this course, I will guide you through each content area essential for answering the exam questions. We will cover the structure of the content and the key elements you need to understand. Although this course won't teach you all the detailed content, that's up to you to study. I will provide insights into the application and examination processes. The application portion tests your business analysis experience, while the examination assesses your knowledge and application of the BABAC guide concepts. Whether you are a seasoned business analyst or new to the field, the CBAP application requires demonstrated business analysis experience. The exam itself is a standardized test based on the BABAC guide. While you may be adept at performing tasks or techniques in your organization, you must focus on answering the exam questions according to the BABAC guide standards. We all know the value of flexibility, agility, and creativity in our work as business analysts, but for the test, it's essential to understand the foundational principles and best practices outlined in the BABAC guide. This course will help you develop a study plan that leverages your professional experience, ensuring you get the most value from your time. By integrating your current knowledge with the detailed book knowledge, you will be well prepared to approach and pass the CBAP examination successfully.
Understanding the CBAP certification examination explores the essential elements of the Certified Business Analysis Professional (CBAP) exam, providing insights into its structure, key knowledge areas, and preparation strategies. This guide is crucial for business analysts aiming to validate their expertise and advance their careers. By delving into the exam's requirements and resources, candidates can effectively navigate their path to certification.
Understanding the CBAP certification examination. The CBAP requirements. Becoming a Certified Business Analysis Professional, CBAP, is an advanced step, not suited for beginners. This certification is designed for individuals with substantial experience looking to advance their careers. Achieving the CBAP is not for everyone, it demands significant experience and dedication. Certain professionals, however, can benefit immensely from this certification. These include business analysts with over 5 years of experience, those with extensive business analysis backgrounds, individuals who have earned other IABA certifications like the CCBA, product managers, consultants specializing in change management, business analysis trainers, and others performing analysis work. To qualify for the CBAP, you must meet specific experience criteria. Firstly, you need 7,500 hours of business analysis work experience within the last 10 years, with at least 900 hours in at least 4 of the 6 business analysis domains. You do not need to have held the title of a business analyst. The key requirement is the nature of your work. If you are uncertain whether your experience qualifies, rest assured, we will cover business analysis tasks in detail in another video, which will also aid in your exam preparation. Additionally, you need at least 35 hours of professional development in business analysis topics within the past 4 years. This training doesn't need to be specifically labeled as business analysis training but should cover relevant topics. Courses like the one you are currently viewing are excellent examples. Remember to submit your references and acknowledge the code of conduct and terms and conditions when you apply. Detailed requirements are available on the IIBA website at iiba.org. If this sounds like your background, you're halfway to being ready for the CBAP. The other half involves performing at an expert level. Certified professionals must be adept at defining challenges and opportunities, often in unstructured business areas, and providing valuable guidance. They continue to build their skills through diverse and evolving work. To assess your readiness, use the CBAP Competencies Self-Assessment Worksheet available in the exercise files. This tool will help you evaluate your preparation, study effectively, and confidently proceed with your CBAP exam prep. The CBAP exam. The CBAP examination is a standardized test, which means it follows a highly structured format. You have 3.5 hours to answer 120 multiple-choice questions, with no penalty for guessing. You should plan to use the full time, as the questions are based on detailed scenarios and case studies. These case studies are derived from the BABIT guide and cover its 6 knowledge areas. Requirements analysis and design definition make up 30% of the exam, and an additional 15% focuses on managing the life cycle of requirements. Business analysis planning and monitoring account for 14%, elicitation and collaboration for 12%, strategy analysis for 15%, and solution evaluation for 14%. It's crucial to be well-versed in all 6 knowledge areas, especially requirements-related sections, reflecting common business analyst activities like eliciting, analyzing, and communicating requirements. The BABIT Guide is your main study resource, detailing each knowledge area, including tasks, techniques, and key terminology. While it's not an easy read and doesn't provide step-by-step instructions, it's essential for understanding the concepts needed for the exam. Experience is important, as you'll need to apply these concepts to various situations. We'll help you break down the exam content into manageable parts to focus your study efforts effectively.
Thanks for joining our video. Would you be interested to know more? Please contact us to www.iCertGlobal.com or email to info@iCertGlobal.org.